rubber band here. I've got a 5-pin Medeco cam lock. Gonna pick here. You can see it locks. So spent some time trying to learn to pick this thing, so I think I got this one pretty well down. Okay, here we go. All right, now I think I got one set. Okay, now I'm just brushing some angles in here. Pin 3 is kind of weird. I've got to jostle it around like a whole bunch. Let's see, is this all on frame? Yeah, kinda. So you can't really see what I'm doing. Here it is. Got pretty weird tension on this thing. Doesn't like to cooperate, but maybe I'll be able to jostle it down and see. Okay, yeah, here we go. These things are a pain in the ass. Okay, on 4 here. Okay, I got 4 lined up. It's not moving. I'm gonna go to 5. 5, I think, is the center cut, so I don't have to do anything other than lift it. Oh no. It slipped out. Okay, I'll just restart here. I'll take the shoes off here. Okay, just gonna test the key again here in a second. Make sure I can. It's not jawed up super well. I wonder if I can do it by just the face. Maybe back here. Maybe back here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Still in frame here. Okay. All right. Gotta be very delicate because it's wanting to come out of the vise. Okay, I got 2. I think the binding order is 2, 4, 1, 3, 5. Conveniently enough. Get back on 1 just to test it. Okay, going back, trying not to overlift anything. I'm gonna use a smaller hook here. So I'm gonna use this guy. It's the only thing I've been able to pick this thing with, so okay. All right. Yeah, I touched 1 and I felt it set. Okay, I got 4. So it's 2, 1, 4. Okay. All right, I'm brushing 4 to its angle. Okay, I think that dropped in. Okay. 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 I'm on 3. I'm lifting and rotating. I think it's a right cut. So I'm kind of pushing it. Okay, I think that's set. Okay, I spent a long time trying to do this, so I think I've got a pretty good handle on what it's going to take to get it picked now. Oops, sorry about the brush there. Oh shit, okay. Okay, got it under tension still. Okay, so I think I'm on the last pin, 5, and I just have to lift it very gently. Okay, getting, oh, sweet. Okay. All right, cool. I got that on camera. So, all right. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin. I'm not really submitting it for a belt or anything. It's a sealed unit, and I'm gonna probably reinstall it. Okay. Okay. Well, there we go.